Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can remove any extension from your school Chromebook or your Chrome browser. So for that, just open your browser on your laptop or PC. And here you will see an option, three dots. Just click on these three dots and place your cursor on these extensions. And here you will see an option Manage Extension. Just click on this Manage Extensions. Now here you will see all the extensions that you have in your Chrome browser or school Chromebook. So just scroll down and see all the extensions. Now in order to remove any extensions, here you will just click on this Delete option or just simply click on this Remove option. That's was I will click on first one, just Delete option. So here you will see the detail of this extension. Now, in order to remove this, the scroll down and here you will see an option. Remove extension. Just click on Remove Extensions. And just here click on this Remove. Or when you click on this, here you will see the extension has been removed from your Chrome browser or Chromebook. So this is a simple way how you can remove any extension from your Chrome browser or Chromebook. Thanks for watching.